Okay, so I have done another pregnancy test today. It's just run across there now, so I'm just going to sit that there for a minute. I really like these pregnancy tests. You can buy them from Amazon. It's actually really super cute packaging. Look at that. Really, really cute. I don't actually know how... It says you can test up to 6 days early. Obviously, they are cheaper than first response, so I'm thinking that they're not like as sensitive as first response. The packaging's really cute. Look, you've got a little one like that, and then it shows you on the back how to do it, which is really cute. Okay, I went out last night, but I didn't really drink much, so that's fine. Drink till you see pink, right? It is negative, but I've been having like the worst cramps ever. I'm not even due on yet. I think I'm going to break it open and see if we can get the little strip out. Which, by the way, you should never do, because it lets the air get to it and then it can change. Looks like there's something that wants to come up. Like right about there. Oh, but you know what? It's so faint. It's almost like a shadow line. Okay, I'm going to take a photo and I'm going to insert it here. It literally looks like there's something trying to come up, doesn't it? So frustrating. Especially when you have to like hold up to the light, tilt it a bit, take a photo of it, and then like Photoshop it, and invert the picture and stuff like that. Okay. I'm thinking, well, it says it comes up in like 3 minutes. So I'm guessing that is negative. I just love to stare at it though and just like see if it will change. Nope, I think that is negative. Wow. You look at the photo and you tell me and leave me comments down below, because I don't know. So yeah, I will be taking another pregnancy test tomorrow. So look out for that video and I'll see you in my next one. Bye, dees!